Are you searching a refrigerator cling film storage rack? Congratulations! You are in the right place. Here I will show you shelf wrap cutting wall hanging. Why I choose this for you? Well, these are the reason for why I selected this. 100% brand new and high quality. Use high quality ABS material, more durable, non-toxic, safe and tasteless. Baffle card slot design, gently press both sides, the baffle can be easily removed. Reasonable design, easy cutting, hanging hole design, can be hung, also can paste 3M glue. 2 kinds of cutter, round for cutting tin foil, oil absorbing paper. Suitable for cutting cling film. Storage paper towels, plastic wrap, tin foil, etc. The top can also put some seasonings. Material, plastic ABS, size, 39 x 1024 cm / 15.35 x 3.94 9.45 inch, color, as the pictures show. Already decided? Click the link in the description below to buy this product. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel to get the best choice.